Looking for a hairstyle that's modern yet timeless? Discover Pixie cuts that make women over 50 shine with style. 1. Classic Short Pixie. Simple, low maintenance, and perfect for fine hair. Great for women seeking elegance with minimal styling. Don't forget to share your favorite style number in the comments. 2. Layered Pixie Cut adds movement and volume, making thin hair appear fuller. Perfect for women who want texture. 3. Pixie with side-swept bangs. Softens facial features and highlights cheekbones. Ideal for round faces. 4. Textured Pixie with highlights. Dimensional highlights bring life to the cut. Best for women wanting a youthful glow. 5. Long Top Pixie. Keeps length on top for styling variety. Perfect for women who want flexibility. 6. Pixie with Undercut. Edgy yet chic. It creates bold contrast. Great for confident women. 7. Wavy Pixie Hairstyle. Natural waves give softness and volume. Ideal for women with naturally wavy hair. 8. Curly Pixie Cut. Defines curls while keeping them manageable. Perfect for women embracing natural texture. 9. Pixie Bob Hybrid. Combines pixie ease with bob elegance. Great for women who want a balanced style. Tell us your favorite number below. 10. Asymmetrical Pixie. One side longer for a modern twist. Ideal for women seeking unique sophistication. 11. Silver Pixie Cut. Enhances natural gray tones beautifully. Perfect for women embracing silver hair. 12. Tapered Pixie. Sleek sides with volume at the crown. Great for elongating the face. 13. Choppy Pixie Hairstyle. Uneven layers add a playful, modern look. Perfect for bold personalities. Share your favorite number with us. 14. Pixie with short bangs, sharp and chic, highlighting the eyes. Great for women with strong facial features. 15. Soft Feminine Pixie. Gentle layers for a polished, delicate look. Ideal for women who want elegance. Which style wins for you? 16. Messy Pixie Hairstyle. Carefree and stylish, adding youthful vibes. Perfect for casual lifestyles. 17. Pixie with volume on top. Lifts the crown for a flattering effect. Great for women with round faces. Your top pick? Type the number. 18. Sleek Straight Pixie. Polished and professional. Perfect for formal looks. Best for women with straight hair. 19. Feathered Pixie Cut. Feathered layers add softness and movement. Ideal for women wanting a light, airy look. 20. Bold Platinum Pixie. Striking platinum color enhances sharp style. Great for women embracing daring trends.
Okay.